Hello there, and on my desk today I have got an amplifier, and it's a Class D amplifier. It's by Fosi Audio and it's the DB10D amplifier. Believe it or not, this has got 600 watts of power. It's got 600 watts of power, very small amplifier for that. Class D, that's why it's so small, because it is a Class D amplifier. Just going to open it up. It's a very, very simple and effective and really clever device. Got the instructions in here, so if you need to know how to hook it up, then ideal. Now, why would you have this amplifier? Well, if you've got some passive bookshelf speakers, any sort of speakers that don't have any sort of power themselves, then this amplifier will do the job of powering any of your old equipment or any equipment that has any sort of RCA cable attached. So if you've got old hi-fi equipment, ideal for this, and you just want to have maybe a tape player or a CD player or something like that, or a DVD player, and you want to power your speakers, then this is ideal for that. So here we are. We've got a lovely little, it really is good quality. It's metal all the way around. So what you've got treble, you've got bass, you've got volume, you've got an on-off switch. Good sturdy on-off switch there. And round the back, that's where you've got your RCA line in. And there you've got your speakers, so you can actually put 4 speakers out from this. And you've got your power cable. At the bottom, you've got nice little rubber feet, so it can just so it won't damage any of your equipment if you're putting it on top of them. You've also got a power brick, which goes in the back, and you've got a country-specific plug. I'm in the UK, so I've got a 3-plug plug, but if wherever you are in the world, you'll have the plug that corresponds to it, and it's a figure of 8 cable. And it's very simple and straightforward device, actually. I've been using it with old hi-fi equipment, actually, and I've got some speakers that are passive, so they've got no power in them. So I need something like this in order for me to use them and play some music from it. And I've got an old tape deck that I have plugged into it, and it works great. It really does work great, and it's very loud, extremely loud. 600 watts. 2 times 300 watts channel of power, so it's a 2.1 amplifier, Class D amplifier, and that's why it doesn't mean big transistors or anything. So it can be in a small enclosure like this. Tiny enclosure. It's 4.13 by 5.59 by 1.57 inches, and it really is a really well put, simple device. The knobs have got no give to them. They're very nice, and they've got nice little bit of resistance, so they're very smooth. It gives you an idea that it's well made, and you've got a very simple on-off switch. So if you've got any problems setting it up, instructions are there. Very simple. Can't really go wrong with that. You literally just put the RC cable in here, and from your bit of equipment, and you put in your speakers in there, and that is really much it. And then you turn it on. Not much can go wrong with this. Really nice sound as well. I've been listening to it, and very loud, very loud. So yeah, I must admit I was impressed. I was a bit dubious about this, whether or not it would deliver the sound that it promises, but yes, it does. It is very loud. So that is the Fosi Audio DB10D 600 watt amplifier. Hello there, Future Stu here. I can apologise for the audio drift. It was in sync, and then by the time it got to the very end of the video, it became out of sync. I had technical issues. I apologise. Hopefully it'll never happen again. Audio guy's been sacked. Anyway, what do I think? Sacked, it's me. What do I think of this? I've been using it for quite a while. I actually think that if you're looking for a little amplifier, if you've got some audio equipment, if you want to amplify maybe your hi-fi, your PC, I'm in 1980. I'm back in time to 1985. Now, if you're wanting to amplify maybe your PC or your laptop, or a little bit of old-fashioned hi-fi equipment, You don't want to break the bank. This is a very capable device, and I think this is all you really need. It's very, very simple to use, and it is very cheap. It's from Fosi Audio. I'll put the links in the description if you're looking for it. I can't say anything bad about it because it's very, very well made. It's very simple. There's not much to it. This is just a 1-channel or a 2-channel, is it? Well, you know what I mean. Only one bit of equipment can connect up to it. So from that point of view, it's a very, very simple device, and and it does exactly what it says it does. I can't really complain about it. Very, very loud, extremely loud. So if you've got a set of passive bookshelf speakers lying around and you want to utilize them, then you can't go bad. You can't go far wrong with this. That's my humble opinion. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye-bye.